You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 14.1. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values, add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 1 plus 2 plus 7, equals 10. Carry 1 to the tenths place. 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 0, equals 11. Carry 1 to the ones place. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5, equals 14. Carry 1 to the tens place. Write 1 in the tens place, and so the final result is 14.1.